Hey everyone, it's Ruben and welcome back to another video from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. If this is your first time checking our videos over the last little bit, Michael's away and in his absence we're doing some specials. We've done some silver cast bars and aliens over the last few days. Wanted to spice up today with some gold. I've seen the request for some of the quarter-ounce coins. I did actually take a look at some of them. Sadly, we didn't have enough numbers to actually pull them into a special. So I've gone for the next best thing, which is some 1/10 rabbits. Fractional gold is a great way to get some gold with a bit of a lower price entry, and you get smaller divisible amounts to either give away if you're feeling very generous, or a lot of people also get smaller pieces to sell back one day to cover a bill or a small transaction. And it means you don't have to sell back an entire ounce or like a large piece to cover it. The biggest downside of fractional pieces of gold is that they're normally significantly more expensive than their larger counterparts per ounce, so that's why it's great to pick one up on sale when you can. The rabbit is part of Perth's Lunar series, and they're also pretty much at the end of their production cycle now for the year. Perth Mint will be firing up production for the dragon over the next few months, so they'll be swapping over to those guys soon. We will be doing these ones at, drumroll, $40 above spot. Which for a fractional coin from the Perth Mint is a pretty nice saving. The link will be down in the description to check these ones out for yourself. And again, here's hoping we can sneak this one in and still do an in-store one coming up for this Saturday. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.